Today, we will talk about how Google Calendar has definitely up-leveled my organization in my home and homeschool, and how it has helped decrease the stress in balancing it all. I will show you exactly how I use Google Calendar to do it all, and by the end of this video, you can create your own Google Calendar to have a better balance in homemaking and homeschooling without the stress of remembering it all. Let's get into it. Hi friend, my name is Iman, and I help Muslim moms homeschool with confidence and joy while having simple routines and systems to keep on top of their home, and all without sacrificing your own self-care. So the beginning of my homeschool journey, I really struggled with keeping organized. Even though typically I am a naturally organized person, I just had a hard time keeping track of everything I wanted to do when things were happening, and I was just all over the place. From remembering appointment times and class times, from when we should do homeschool, from when I should do cleaning and meal planning. There's just a lot to do in my day, but I wasn't organized in keeping track of all my tasks. And as homeschool moms, we have so much on our minds that we're constantly thinking about and needing to do, and it's easy to drop the ball and forget something. So I know I needed some sort of calendar system to keep track of all my appointments and my tasks. And the other problem I was having is I was using so many different types of calendars that were not working. From wall calendars that I put up on my kitchen, to the calendar in my planner, to just writing things in a notebook without any dates. I just tried doing many things and trying different calendars, and nothing was working. I keep dropping the balls, forgetting classes that we had to do, falling behind on cleaning. It just didn't work. So I needed a solution that involved a good calendar system. And after doing research and watching lots of videos on YouTube, I finally found a calendar that changed it all, which is Google Calendar. Literally, Google Calendar is something that I already had, that I was kind of using, but not for my homeschool and my home. And so I realized I can take my Google Calendar and I can transform it into an amazing functional calendar that would really help organize my homeschool and my home and keep everything running smoothly. The thing that I like about Google Calendar is, number one, it's free. Everybody that has a Google account or a Gmail account has access to a Google Calendar. Number two, it's very easy to use, so simple, the layout is easy to understand. And number three, I like how you can color code everything and make it look pretty and easy on the eye. As soon as you look at it, you know what's gonna happen in your day and what's coming next. And so I truly recommend using a Google Calendar if you are also struggling on organizing all your tasks and your appointment, because it truly changed everything for me. So once I figured out that I'm gonna be using the Google Calendar, I sat down, I wrote down all the different tasks and items that I keep forgetting to do. And now these are the main categories that I put in my Google Calendar every week and every day to keep me organized, which I will explain shortly and actually show you shortly. So to keep me organized, I use a home planner and I use a homeschool planner. But my Google Calendar is the main anchor that I use when I'm planning in my home planner and when I'm planning in my homeschool planner. Okay, so how do I exactly use my Google Calendar and what do I put in it? So firstly, I'm gonna explain to you how exactly I use it, and then we're gonna go into my computer and I will show you the layout and how it looks like. So like I said, what I put in my Google Calendar is what I seriously sat down and reflected on that I was dropping the ball on, or that I kept forgetting. And it was 3 different categories of tasks. So number one, my cleaning tasks and my cleaning blocks of when I'm gonna do my cleaning task. Number two, all my appointments and my classes and anything that had a start time and end time had to go on my Google Calendar. And number three, my 3 non-negotiables had to go on my Google Calendar, which was homeschooling time when I was gonna homeschool, meal planning block, and my Sunday reset block. Those are my 3 non-negotiables. So now I'm gonna break down each of these categories of tasks and how I use it and how I put it in my Google Calendar. So the number one task that need to go in your Google Calendar is your cleaning tasks and your cleaning blocks. So your cleaning tasks are the cleaning tasks that you're gonna do every week and every month. What are they? You need to know what you are cleaning daily, weekly, monthly, seasonally. and put that in your calendar as a repeat task. So it gets the thinking out of your head and you don't have to think about what you have to clean. It's already in your calendar on repeat. And so I have all my cleaning tasks at the top of my Google Calendar in a specific orange color. So I know when I sit down to plan for my day, what cleaning tasks that are coming up that I have to do. The other thing you have to put in your Google Calendar is a cleaning time block. This is the time when you're actually going to clean. And just to let you know, you don't have to be cleaning every day in your home. You can choose the days that you're going to clean and create a cleaning time block in your calendar. And that time block is the only time that you'll actually be cleaning and be completing those cleaning tasks that you already set in your Google Calendar. And I have created Sunday to be a catch-all for any cleaning tasks that I don't get done in that week. As homeschooling moms, we know things happen, your child gets sick, or you're not feeling well and you just don't want to do the cleaning that day. I always push that cleaning to Sunday, and Sunday is my catch-all for all cleaning that I haven't done that week. My cleaning block tends to fall in my afternoon time block, in my 5 time blocks, which I teach in this video if you want to learn more about time blocking for Muslim moms. And so the time block that I put my cleaning time block is the opposite of my homeschool time block. So if I do homeschooling in the morning, cleaning will be in the afternoon. If I decide to do homeschool in the afternoon, I do a little bit of cleaning in the morning before we leave and do an activity. And if you are a Muslim homeschooling mom and you are struggling with time management and organizing your day, I have a free guide for you, which is my time blocking guide, which I use a special system which I call Baraka time blocking. And it's 5 time blocks that surrounds your 5 prayers. And if you are interested in learning more about that and how you can create that for yourself, make sure you grab my free template down below in the description. Okay, the second category of tasks in my Google Calendar are appointment times or any classes that we have to do. So anything that has a start time and an end time always goes in my Google Calendar. So these are appointments, classes, programs, co-ops, anything that has start and end time that we have to be there for, I put it right away in my Google Calendar when I sign up for that program or appointment. And this has helped me so much on not miss classes and appointments, because I actually kept missing different appointments and different classes that my kids were doing because I just forgot when I signed up. So as soon as I sign up for anything that has a start and end time, I put it in my Google Calendar right away. And if it's a class or appointment that's repeats that you have to do maybe every week or every month, set it on repeat in your Google Calendar. And so for me, I like to have 2 different colors for my appointments and my classes. I like to make a green color for all my Quran and my Islamic classes, and blue for any classes or programs for my kids. And then I have red for any important appointments that I cannot miss. And the third type of tasks that I put in my Google Calendar are my 3 non-negotiables. And this is when I'm homeschooling every day, when is my meal planning block, and when is my Sunday reset. So I have these 3 non-negotiables in my calendar in a bright yellow because these are truly non-negotiables. If I don't get anything done that day, but I get my homeschooling done, I feel good. It was a good day. Or if I get my meal planning done, if it's a weekend, or my Sunday reset on a Sunday, I had a good day. These are the 3 things that really keep my homeschool and my home functioning well. And I realized that if I miss out on doing any of these 3, the non-negotiables, things just don't go well and I just fall behind in both my homeschool and my home and I get stressed out. So I really recommend, as a homeschooling mom, making those 3 things as a non-negotiable for your own home and homeschool as well. And making sure you put it in your calendar on when you're gonna do those 3 things, homeschooling, meal planning, and your Sunday reset, in your Google Calendar. Okay, now that I've explained the 3 categories of tasks that I put in my Google Calendar, we're gonna go into my calendar and I will show you exactly how my calendar looks like. Okay, now that we are in my computer, I will show you exactly how my Google Calendar looks like using those 3 different categories of tasks that we talked about. Number 1, all my cleaning tasks. Number 2, my appointment times and programs. And number 3, my 3 non-negotiables, okay? The calendar I'm about to show you is not my real calendar. I definitely change stuff up, change names, of course, for privacy. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can create this for yourself and how it can look like. Okay, so number 1, my cleaning task. Let me see if I can move myself. Number 1 is my cleaning tasks, and I put that in orange. So these are my chore blocks. So these are the times that I actually do cleaning in my day. And these are all my tasks at the top, all my cleaning tasks that I have to do on repeat. I have sat down and I realized what cleaning I want to do weekly, what cleaning I want to do monthly, what cleaning I want to do seasonally. I put that in my calendar and I set it on repeat. It literally changed my life doing this. It took the thinking out of cleaning and when I'm going to do cleaning. So, for example, on Tuesday, the 15th, I have a chore block. And this is the only time that I do all of this top cleaning here. Wednesday, I have another chore block. And that's the time when I vacuum. Thursday, I decided Thursday I don't want to do any cleaning except daily cleaning. Daily cleaning you do every day. Friday, I do a deep clean of the kitchen. That's the only time I do it. So this is all my cleaning tasks at the top that I organize and my cleaning blocks. The second category of tasks are my appointments. So all my appointments are in red and blue because blue are all my appointments for my kids and all their activities. Let me move myself. And red is any appointments that are very important and I cannot miss. So anything that I sign up for my kids, any programs, any classes, I put in my calendar right away in blue. Any important appointments for myself and family members, I put in red, just so I don't forget. So anything that has a start time and end time, I put in my calendar right away. If it's a program or class that's repeating, like co-op we do every week, we just put it on repeat. And then my the other appointment classes are our Quran and Islamic classes. Our third type of tasks are my 3 non-negotiables. These are the times that I do homeschooling Monday to Thursday, because I homeschool Monday to Thursday this year. And then I have a meal planning time and I have a Sunday reset in yellow. That's like bright yellow in my face that I have to do every day. For example, let's say the reason why I like Google Calendar is, let's say on Wednesday, we decided to do a meetup with a friend in the morning. All I have to do is just move my homeschooling to the afternoon, okay? And then I have the morning free to meet up, last minute plan to meet up with a friend. So it's so easy to move things around once you have it set up. And then once I'm planning in my home planner or my homeschool planner, I just look at my Google Calendar and see what I have to do that day. I hope that has helped. So if you like this video, then you will love the next video where you will see how I use my home planner to plan all my homemaking chores with using Google Calendar as well. If you're interested in that, make sure you check out the next video.